Hey there, this is Mike. Today I want to show you how to build YouTube viewership with powerful end screens. This is a new feature YouTube just recently came out. I'm very excited about it, and it works on mobile and desktop, which is something we've been needing for a long time here. And this is a great way to promote your other videos, build up your subscriptions. If you got a verified website, this is a great way to direct people to that external website. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all the details on this. This is definitely a well worth video to watch all the way to the end so you can get all the information on this. If you're seriously about growing your YouTube channel, this is definitely a good video to watch. So let's go ahead and make sure you're on the homepage of youtube.com. Come up to the upper right, get logged in, and then we're going to come to the left. Let's go to My Channel. Now let's go to the top where it says Video Manager. Let's click that. Now let's go ahead and pick a video which you want to add some of these end screens on to promote some of the other videos out there. So let me just pick one of these off my newer YouTube channel, Online Photography Academy. So I'll just pick this one right here, Rocky Mountain Summer. Right here you're going to see your edit, but right next to edit you're going to see a drop down arrow. Let's click that. Then we're going to come down to where it says End Screen Annotations. So just tap on that one. Now, just a couple quick notes. These end screens obviously come towards the end of your video, and basically they can start up to the last 20 seconds of your video, or you can come down here and drag the end screen to all the way down to the last 5 seconds of the video. So it depends on where you want to stick this at. Now up on the upper right above here you're going to see a view. If you click on that, you have the option of unchecking the grid if you don't want the grid to show. And I'll just re-highlight that. And you also have the snap to element and snap to grid. So I like to keep these checked. It actually makes the process a little simpler. The next one over, you're going to see Use Template. Now you can actually click on this and you can just scroll down and use different templates that you might want to add. For example, this would be just having two videos covering up most of the screen there. So you see this option on a lot of videos you're watching out there right now. Now you can do is actually have your videos to the left, and then the circle is usually your subscription. So I'll kind of show you how that all works. Or if you don't want to use any of these, you can just customize your own. So for right now, let's just go ahead and just pick one of these. And I'll just go ahead and pick this one and hit select. So automatically it sets up my subscription for this channel, which is Online Photography Academy. But these two, I got to actually add some videos in. So what I want to do is I'm going to come over to the right, where right now it says video unavailable. I'm going to come and hit this little pencil right here. So right here you have an option of you can check most recent upload. So basically what's going to happen, this is actually a really cool feature. If you want to select this for one of your videos, so every time you upload a new video in the future, it's always going to show up. Another really cool feature, I like this one too, is Best for Viewer. So basically on the viewer's interest in the past, videos they may have watched on different channels also, this will actually pick the best video that might be on your channel for them. So that's another good option. Or you can just choose one from a playlist here. So we're going to go down, and I'm just going to go ahead and just pick a couple videos here for the heck of it. Let me just click on a couple of these. I'll click on this one here first, and I'm going to hit save. And you also do have an option of entering a YouTube video or playlist URL. So you can actually share a playlist this way, or share another YouTube video just by putting the URL. So this can actually be somebody else's video if you wanted to promote theirs. So let's go ahead and hit save after you selected what video you want to do. And it's going to show up right here. Now I do have an option of grabbing this and dragging it to a different location. So if I want to add it over here, put it in the middle, and I can actually come here to the corner where it shows the arrow, and you can make it bigger, or you can make it smaller too. So you do have a lot of options here. So I'll just kind of make it a little bigger, just kind of making it look sloppy here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a video on this one too. So let's click that. Come over where it says video unavailable again. Click the pencil. Let me just pick another video. And then I'll hit save. So now it has two videos here. So let's kind of clean this up. I'm going to shrink this up a little bit. Throw that back over to the right. And then this here, which is your subscription, and I'll show you how this all works here in a minute. I can move that up here. Now, what if I want to add one more video? I could still add a third one if I wanted to. So all you got to do up here is go to Add Element. You can add a video or playlist. You can add your subscribe, which I already have that right here. You can add a channel to promote another channel. So you can create right there. Or a link. So this link will redirect somebody to an approved website. So this has to be an approved website to make that work. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add one more video. So let's hit create. Once again, I have the most. So this one here, I'm just going to hit the most recent upload. Create element. And I'm going to drag that down here since I'm going to want that up there. So the most recent upload, it will show on playback, it says. Now here's a really cool thing you want to do too. You want to set these up to where, you know, what time do you want these to start coming up. So to do that, you can just hover over to the left side where you get this arrow, and you can actually drag each one to a certain time. So we can start that at 2:54. So I'll just line these all up over here in the same area. Or you can mix it up where one comes on, then another one comes on, and you know, just so you have a choice. You have a lot of flexibility here to play around with this. Now, once you think you got everything set up to where you want, there's a really cool feature here where it says preview. Just go ahead and click that. And all of a sudden everything pops up, and then you can actually play with these. So you can come over to the subscribe, it'll show you the subscribe button. You can click on a video, see if it works, and it should automatically take the person over to the next video. So you can just go and play and make sure all the links are working good, which they look like they are. Yep, everything's looking really good there. Now, once you're happy with the way everything is looking here, next thing you need to do is you could just come up here and hit save. And all the changes will be saved. Now, here's another trick. So say you don't want this stuff on the end all of a sudden. You want to change it up a little bit. So a good trick you can do here is you can always come and delete something if you want to. So just come over to whatever you might want to delete off of there. So let me just pick one here. Let's just pick this one. I'm going to hit the pencil. And it's going to ask you to delete this element. You can hit the delete button. It'll actually take it. So I can actually go through and delete each one of these one at a time. And you can clean it up. Or vice versa, you can always add another element. So anyways, this is a really cool feature to really help promote your videos. Keep that traffic coming in. And you can actually, this works pretty slick too, if you got friends out there or other people that you might want to promote, you can team up and you can promote some of their videos and vice versa, they promote some of your videos. And what happens there is you're basically creating a partnership and you're kind of sharing each person's subscribers that way. So a nice little trick out there to try out, you know, start collaborating with some of these other YouTubers out there. Anyways, I hope this helped you out, and if it did, definitely hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Definitely share this video with somebody out there you might think that this could help them out. This is a really cool feature. I think we're going to be seeing a lot of this on the new YouTube videos coming out too. So anyways, you guys have yourself a great day, and we'll catch you on the next video. Have a good one.